Draw a line plot for these numbers. So what are we trying to do? We're trying to basically count up the number of each one of these numbers and plot them out. So let's first count the number of 9s. We got 1 and we got 2 9s. All right, so that means we put 1, 2, X is above the 9. It's like a bar graph. And now how many 8s do we have? I'm just going by 8s because that's the next one I see. I got 1 8, 2 8, 3 8s, 4 8s, 5 8s. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I see a 7 and I've only got 1 7 in the mix. I've only got 1 3 in the mix and everything else has been accounted for last. Let's count these numbers up again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just as a way to double check, do I have 9 X's here? 2, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. So I'm pretty sure we did this correctly. Let's go for it. Next problem. Let's do it again, same way. So how many 9s do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 3 9s. 1, 2, 3. How many 8s do we have? 1, 2, 1, 2. How many 6s we got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 7s we got 1, 7. Last but not least, 9s. We got 1 9 that I see. We've got 1 7, 2 7s, 3 7s. 1, 2, 3. We've got 1 6 only. We've got 1 8, 2 8s, 3 8s, 4 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we got 1 lonesome 1. Everything else has been accounted for. Let's double check our work again. We got 5. We got 10 numbers. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers here.